lost. Two lonely people in world and lost. Two broken hearts, the eye were against it. Baby, here we are. In our own little place, in our own little corner, old cold world got a little warmer. For the rest of your life, I'm gonna hold you in my arms. And when I carve my stone, all it need is right on it. One little man, he got all he ever wanted. Tell me something, who could ask for more? You be living in a moment you would die for. You never get rich on what money can buy. And no matter to me, I'll tell you why. I got it all and I'm holding you this way. I live to love you, I die to keep you safe in arms, with harm to please you. I be loving you with the very last breath I take. So when they carve my stone, all it need is right on it. One little man, he got all he ever wanted. Tell me something, who could ask for more? You be living in a moment you would die for. Ashes to ashes, dust into dust. I lay beside you forever in love. So when they carve my stone, all it need is right on it. One little man, he got all he ever wanted. Tell me something, who could ask for more? You be living in a moment you would die for. Living in a moment you would die for. Guys, how's it going, you guys? I just had to sing a little of that song. That's one of my second favorite songs. So I had to sing a little bit of Herndon song. So hope you guys enjoyed it. So tonight video, I'm going to be eating Argo cornstarch. And I'm going to be doing it in my Cowgirl hat. So I hope you guys like this hat. It was handmade. I got it from this boutique up here in Milwaukee. I love it. I paid $100 for this hat. So it means a lot by being handmade. So hope you guys like it. Hope you guys like this video. I'm about to eat this cornstarch for you guys. Just got it at the freezer. So gotta check out my gum. Forgot I had that. So you guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment. Tell me, do you like the singing in the videos, or I said I'm gonna start singing in my video, the first start of it. So let me know if you like the singing. Let me know if you don't like it. Just leave me a comment, let me know something. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys. Be good and be blessed. Peace. Bye.